In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload audio files to ChatGPT. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So let's dive right in. First, the first step is to open your web browser and visit the ChatGPT website. Just type in chatgpt.com in the address bar and hit enter. Once you're on the site, if you haven't already, log into your account. This ensures that you can access all the features available to you. Now that you're logged in, look for the interface where you can usually interact with ChatGPT. This is where you engage in conversations, ask questions, and now upload your audio files. To begin uploading, you'll want to locate the option that says Add Photos and Files. This is typically found in the conversation input area. Once you see that button, go ahead and click on it. When you do this, it'll allow you to browse through the files on your computer and select what you want to upload. Now, you might want to have your audio file ready. Make sure it's in a compatible format. Common formats like MP3 or WAV work well. Once you click that Add Photos and Files button, your computer will prompt you to open your files. Navigate to the location where your audio file is saved. Select your audio file, and once you've highlighted it, just click on Open. It should start uploading automatically to the ChatGPT interface. If you see a loading indicator, don't worry. It's just processing the upload. And there you go. Once the upload is complete, you should see your audio file in the chat window. You can now engage with ChatGPT using your file. It's as easy as that. Just a few clicks, and you've got your audio uploaded and ready to go. Now remember that uploading audio files can vary based on the platform or device you're using. If you're on a mobile device, the process is quite similar. You'll still open the ChatGPT app or site, log in, and look for the Add Photos and Files option. From there, you'll be prompted to browse your audio files, just like on your computer. So once again, that's how simple it is to upload audio files to ChatGPT. Engaging with the AI using voice notes or sound clips can really enhance your experience, making it much more dynamic and personalized. Before I wrap up, if you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to leave them in the comments section below. I'd love to help you out. Also, if you enjoyed the tutorial, please hit that like button. And remember, subscribing gives you access to more tutorials just like this, keeping you updated with the best tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy chatting with ChatGPT.